Okay, beautiful morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to today's episode. Welcome to today's episode of our Forex Live Trading with Diamond Aridoh. As you're joining us, kindly let me know the location you're joining us from right now. Put it in the chat box, your name and the location where you're joining us from. Let's get started right away. Let's get started. Let's get started right away. Okay. I have a couple of pairs I'm looking at. Yeah, last week I thought I this trade I exited when it came back to close to my entry around this area. I exited, so all these trade I was able to manage. I was able to manage them wisely. So right now you agree with me that since Monday, I think from here, yes, till Friday, this is all market could do. This is all market could do. Okay, Friday ends here. This is all market could do. No serious movement at all. The market was just choppy, but at the same time, we were able to at least break even on that week because of this trade right here. Where is it? This trade right here. This trade right here was what we used to actually make back all the losses. So for my existing students, you understand one thing I talked about when market violate a valid POI. This is what happens here. You can see that the market did what? It violated the POI. What did you see the market came to do again? It came to reclaim it. Okay, this is just a matter of repositioning yourself and then retaking the buy. But of course I didn't take this because I was not on sit yesterday. I went to greet one of my great mentor in the industry. I went to pay him visit in his house. So now let's quickly run through our peers one after the other. Let's quickly run through our peers one after the other. Okay, let's quickly run through our peers one after the other. Let's quickly run through our peers one after the other. Okay, so AUD is looking like it's moving on an uptrend. If it's moving on an uptrend, we need to see our simple concept. What do we need to look out for in our simple concept? Just three things. We need to see manipulation, we need to see a break of structure, we need to see a liquidity, an inducement liquidity. So right now all of those three things are not present in AUD at the moment, even though we have a setup here for a long time. Maybe AUD is coming to this right now. Oh, let's position ourselves rightly. It might be this time that this market will play out. It's a setup that I've had for a very long time, I remember. So guys, let's take advantage of this. Let's take advantage of this. Let's take advantage of this. Let's take advantage of this AUD. So if you're just joining, or if you are with me right now, you're just watching and this trade has not played out, this is the first trade of this week. AUD USD sell limits. Okay, this is the first trade of the week. So I had this setup and I've been waiting for market to come there, and the setup is still very valid. It's still valid, even though, okay, let me investigate further. Okay, market taking this eye out, and then now we have this as an existing. This is another inducement right here. So let's see if market has taken this out. Okay, market is here to get here. So this setup is still valid because market has taken this inducement. It has taken this inducement, and you can see it's tanking from there. So that is what is causing that reaction from here, that one that it took out. But of course we want to bank with the extreme POI, where our stop loss is going to be at the point of invalidation. So we know that market does not have business in coming up here unless if the setup is not valid anymore. So let's wait. We still have a setup here, an inducement that can engineer this ourselves. Okay, so moving on, let's look at USD JPY. Yeah, it's the same thing about this trade. I got out when this trade came around here, I guess. I think somewhere around here, close to the entry. I exited this trade yesterday. So now the trade, you can see the way it's moving now. Okay, so now let's agree, because we can all see obviously that this market is moving downtrend and is disrespecting all the buy setup. And not just disrespecting them. If you disrespect any buy setup, you're going to come back to reclaim them. Remember. So what do we have here? What do we have here? Okay, this seems efficient. I'm coming. Let's see what 15 minutes time frame is saying about this area. Oh, Charlie. Okay, I did not too like this kind of setup. I did not too like it. So, but let's see. When the market come there, maybe through confirmation, you can get a setup. Because what I'm anticipating right now is the market coming to retake this. Let me extend it to this level. Okay, market coming here and using this as a liquidity. Using this as a liquidity. So using this as a liquidity, this is what I'm anticipating anyway, but at the same time I cannot set a pending order because this does not look very convincing yet. It doesn't look very convincing yet. So probably when market get there, we will now make our decision. Okay, so moving on to gold. Gold. Let's just leave gold alone because it's just flying. Unless we want to go to lower time frame, that's when we can, we can play with gold, but I'm not ready to go to lower time frame. So let's move on to GBP JPY. So when I was with Jeffrey Benson yesterday, where's the trade? We took a buy yesterday. I think the buy, where is it? I think the buy was around here, something like that. I think the buy was around here. Sharply, my girl quickly caught about 10k or over 10k yesterday from this trade. So, but okay, looking at it from our own simple concept perspective, where is the market going? The market is doing as if it's coming to, on a downtrend, but after this major low, market has not taken out this high, it has not taken out this low, so therefore market is ranging, obviously. Okay, so for the fact that market is ranging, we sit on our hand. Okay, let the market decide where it's going. So right now there's not even a clear manipulation and a break of structure right here that we want to bank on. So let's move on to CHF-JPY. We are anticipating this setup on CHF-JPY since last week, so I'm very optimistic it's playing out this week. I'm very optimistic it's playing out this week profitably. So right now, this is CHF-JPY. Is going to be the second trade for this week. So if you are here right now, get ready to take advantage of this trade. Okay, so now what do we have on BTC? Yeah, after we make this profit from BTC, it started flying back up. Just imagine, after giving us our TP, started flying back up. And since it has been flying up, okay, I can see okay, let's read from here. Okay, this is low high. Okay, this high was not taken out. Okay, so we have some sort of, yeah, it was taken. So we have a valid kind of simple concept setup here, because we have a clear manipulation here, and then we have our break of structure above. Our inducement is very far. We don't like this kind of setup like this. See the inducement. When this market take out this inducement, excuse me, sorry. When market take out this kind of inducement, it might not come to the extreme POI. It might just pick this and go. So BTC is very, very volatile. So let's be patient. Let's see how it's going to actually react to this. Maybe we can take it after then. Okay, so moving on to Ethereum. Oh, I wish Ethereum took out this low. I'll just be waiting for it to break structure to the upside. Okay, so nothing, market is ranging, so let's move away from it. AUDJPY, okay, we also have a setup on AUDJPY since last week. See the way market was just ranging. Oh my man. So market is ranging, and then we're anticipating a buy setup from here. So making the third trade for the week. GBP card, I don't know what GBP card is doing at the moment. It has not given us a clear direction, so let's sit on our hand. US oil has come to reclaim here and is probably going to take out this high. So for now, nothing serious. At least for today, we've gotten like 3 setup, 1 AUD USD, 2 CHF JPY, 3 AUD JPY. So that's all we have for this week. Any question, ladies and gentlemen? Do you have any question? If you have any question, let's quickly take the question right now. If there's no question, let's call it a day, ladies and gentlemen. If you have any question, let's quickly take it now. If you don't have any question, let's take it up from here. So right now, this week, this is our first live session for the week. Okay, so we have 3 setup, which is AUD USD. We are anticipating a sell from AUD USD. We are anticipating a buy from CHF JPY, and we are anticipating a buy from AUD JPY. So that's all we have for this week, and then see you guys tomorrow by the grace of God Almighty. Thank you for always showing up. Thank you. Why is my camera like this? Oh, it's too bright. Okay, but it's okay. At least you guys can see my screen properly. Can't be like say I say I did heaven. Okay, bye for now, guys. Bye.